All right, so just a quick little Kmart trip this morning. I don't usually head to Kmart just because there's usually nothing I actually need. But I end up picking up a bunch of these little organizers which were, on sale. But the main thing that I wanted to go there for was these little boxes. So obviously you can hear by that cough that I'm still not 100% with the tonsillitis, but I just figured I'd make my way over and get a bunch of these little boxes. Now, these are actually perfect for organising my tools, 3/8 ratchet. Here's a small little quarter drive and a quarter drive breaker bar, and they just absolutely fit perfectly in there. So when you slide the drawer open, you can obviously see what you're dealing with. They are shallow enough where you can put small parts in. They also have them in black, black and white. Obviously, you can see I've chosen the black. But yeah, for $4 for three, I think that's a really good deal. I'm still yet to kind of figure out the configuration in the toolbox, but yeah, no, it's actually going to work out really, really well. So here's a little quick Kmart hack for anyone trying to organise their tools.